Elon and the Grok team just launched their no-code studio called Grok Studio, and we just made this ping pong game with 2 prompts in about a minute. It has all the functionalities, it's got different logic, you can do all kinds of crazy stuff with it, and here's the catch. It's got the browser built in, so now you no longer have to take it to other no-code tools. It is able to build it right in browser. Let me show you all the crazy stuff we can do. It just came hot off the presses probably 2 hours ago. And let's just start building with it, see what we can come up with. I want to create a ping pong game with all the visuals. I want particle effects, animation, strobe lights. I want the synth wave vibe. Okay, so check this out. So if you did this before, it would only give you the code, which is what we've always seen. But check this out. It's about to load the preview mode. Look how fast this is cooking. So Grok is officially in the no-code game, and it's going to give you a full game. Let's see how this works. I can't wait to try this. I've been waiting for them to do this. I had a feeling it's going to be built in. Look at that. What? Let's go. All right, we got controls. So if you guys haven't had a chance, all you got to do is go to grok.com, log in with your X account, and then you'll have access to their new code editor. It does all the other stuff, but we're not concerned about that here. We want to just build code because that is what the magic of AI is. I don't need some article transcribed. That's not the business I'm in. We're in the business of vibe coding and building cool shit. So, all right, let's try this. There we go. Now we got controls on both sides. Okay. There we go. So this is really exciting because now if you're able to actually use Grok, large language model, and then have a full-in built-in editor, no code editor, that's going to be able to import stuff, that's definitely going to change how people see Grok, and you're going to be able to actually build stuff with it. Obviously, there is no integrations yet. At least I don't think there is. But the way they're moving, I have a feeling all this stuff is going to come. Wait, Google Drive support already. Grok users can now attach files from their Google Drive. Grok can work with documents, spreadsheets, and slides also. So yeah, so they already have some integrations. Okay, there we go. Now we're going. Okay, so now I'm playing the Grok computer in a full game of ping pong. This is really nice. Okay, it works. Next, I want to create a Stripe style dashboard React component with a human interface, with a clean modern UI, smooth animation, charts, revenue metrics. Let's just see how it does with a really, really nice dashboard. The fact that it was able to code it so quickly is kind of blowing my mind. Wow, no way. Okay, so I don't have any payments or customers or settings, but this is pretty nice. It has even some animations. Okay, let's add the other features. Let's add the payments, customers, and settings views. Also add a bunch of animations and rollovers. Let's check this out now. We got payments. Damn. Animations, customers, settings. With pull downs. Yeah, this is legit. This is very, very impressive. I want to recreate Pac-Man. All of the logic of Pac-Man with the visuals, all the enemies, the whole map. I'm going to include a reference photo so you get everything right, period. I've never actually had a no-code tool make Pac-Man well. I've had to struggle. I've had to do so many iterations, but let's just go with the same image. I've used I probably tested 20 to 30 different models. I've been able to make it, but never well, and it took many tries. So let's see how it does with Pac-Man. I want to recreate Pac-Man, all the logic of Pac-Man with the visuals, all the enemies, the whole map. I'm going to include a reference photo so you get everything right. All right, let's try it. If it does this, I'm going to be blown away because this was always the biggest struggle. So it's going to use HTML and JavaScript. The fact that you can just get the preview right there and then using their model is going to be really fun to build stuff. The integrations are going to come. You know, there's obviously going to be people going, oh, this thing doesn't work. I recently tried the Firebase, the Google one, not even close. It couldn't even get any of these demos. So we're gonna see what this thing can do now with Pac-Man. But when the integrations come, you know they're gonna integrate with AWS, with Supabase, with all of the different backend systems. So it's just a matter of time before we're gonna be able to use Grok as a full no code. I don't want to say full stack because I don't throw that around lightly, but damn, this is pretty good. So if Pac-Man comes out here in the next 30 seconds, I'm going to be impressed. Pac-Man is here. No way. Okay, this is crazy. It actually works. It's very erratic and the speed is insanely fast. Okay. We just hit the query limit. So we're cut off for 52 minutes. This might be the perfect time to end the video. But as you guys can see, we did a lot. We created a crazy Pac-Man. It actually does work. It just needs to be controlled a little better with some more enemies, but it does work. So I've never been able to get this to work on any of the tools. None. And I'm not just saying that. If you go back to watch my videos, I've tried this demo so many different times. So guys, definitely have a go. Grok Studio is live and hopefully you guys can play with it. Just go to grok.com and start building yourself, see what you come up with, and let me know in the comment section what we should do next and also what you're building because I would love to see it. And of course, you guys give a follow. I do appreciate it so much and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.